Everyone, welcome to day 28 of Parenting Simplified with Shining Spiral. Today we are going to talk about an important aspect of the children who are in the early years, 0 to 7 years of age. In this age group, children are sensory beings. That means they absorb whatever is given to them in their environment and learn that. Whatever experiences are provided to them, whatever inputs are shared in the environment, good or bad, the children absorb them. This has a very important implication for us adults. This means that we need to give only the right kind of inputs or experiences to children, because whatever they will take in and in the early years, that will form the foundation for these children in the later years. And also, if we have given them good environment in the early years, if we have given them good and healthy positive experiences in the early years, when they grow older, they are able to differentiate between good and what is not so good or what is not right. So as an adult, if we know this कि हमको ये सब करना है, बच्चों को एक सही environment देना है, तो how do we give the environment? There are three ways in which we can try to create a good environment for the children, which is health giving and positive. One is the adults in the environment of the child should be happy. They should be in sync with each other, and they should not be getting into tiffs or fights or unnecessary discussions or arguments in the presence of the child. Second, the child should be given a rhythmic life. That means the child should be having a life which has a sequence to the day, sequence to the week, sequence to the month. On a daily basis, the same things should be done with the child so that the child feels secure. He is aware, इसके बाद ये करना है, इसके बाद ये करना है. He feels safe, he feels secure, and he grows better. And the last thing that we can do is keep unnecessary information out of the life of the child. Unnecessary information से मतलब हुआ कि television is on and there is some news going on, or there is a serial going on which has violence or which has some loud dialogue or aggressive tones happening in the serial, even if it is a cartoon. These kind of unnecessary informations, what is happening around the world, these should be kept out of the reach of the child. Child does not need that. Give the child a safe, secure, warm and loving environment, and the child will blossom into a healthy adult. Thank you.